Hello guys, I greet you from RBTI Pretoria. We're out on the Malotto Road on the outside of Pretoria East. It's a wellness center. We invite people to come for a weekend stay or a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks or a month. A typical stay is you arrive at RBTI. We do a RBTI test. You can Google RBTI Dr. Reams. It's the only medical success in world history that had a 95% success in reversing disease. Not by focusing on the symptom, but focusing on what caused your symptom. So we remove the cause and therefore the symptoms subside. So a typical stay is we do a RBTI test, then you get your program for the week, days or month. It's cancer, it's a month. And then you go to sleep. We give you 4 glasses of 0 TDS, total dissolved solid, 0 water. You drink 4 glasses of water. You wake up the next morning, you get a colima. It's a board that you lay on that goes in the toilet. And we flush the colon. The next moment we do a gallbladder and liver cleanse. Next moment we do a bowel cleanse. And then you go into a far infrared sauna with UV. Then you go in an ozone sauna. Then you go on a lymph massage where we massage the lymph system. If needed, we do drip therapies, whatever your body may need. Glutathione or NAD or vitamin C. Vitamin C is ascorbic acid. You can't put it in an acidic person, which is people is being doing that, putting ascorbic acid drips up in an acidic person. It makes them more acidic. And an acidic environment is a friendly harvest place for invader viruses. So we then alkalize the body with calcium citrate, gluconate, carbonate, hydroxide, etc. And then we put you on a plasma machine, radio frequency, the general Rife frequency, the original one. It goes through a thing called GB4000 SR4. Then it converts a radio frequency to plasma. We radiate the body with plasma frequency. Then you get a magnesium scrub. Then you go in a bed, not with bedding, but with sheets. It's not proper plastic that gives off estrogen. It's a plastic with a above 5 figure for safety, if you know your figures. Then you sleep between 2 plastic sheets and you sweat like a pig. And out of that, we do another colima. Then we do another gallbladder cleanse. Then we do some more bowel cleanses. Approximately 17 kilogram of waste come out of the human body. Then we apply a drip for whatever is needed. Every day we do a RBTI test to see what's the needs of the body. We supply the needs, and you drink your water. You get 3 glasses of organic vegetable juice. It's a blood replacement juice. I don't prefer to do blood transfusion. If you want one, you can get one. But we use natural liquid chlorophyll plants that replace blood within 24 hours. We remove graphene oxide from the body and whatever metals with chelating therapies, etc. We use nicotine to dissolve graphene that we receive through spill protein, spike protein, shedding, cloud seeding. The human race has been saturated with graphene oxide. It makes us susceptible to 5G. Not just your telephone, your body becomes susceptible. And because there's graphene, your body becomes a conductor. 5G accumulate in your body. You're standing in shoes, you're not earth. A tree receives 5G and it roots it into earth. But we accumulate that frequency, shattering the blood cell membrane, blood glued together, become thick blood, less circulation to organs. That's why all the organ deaths are there. At Cambridge University, there was 20,900,000 registered cases that could be proved to vaccinations. So if you receive vaccinations, you should urgently speak to us or anyone that can do the job. So we use Tibetan tobacco, pure tobacco that's soaked in honey for a year, and then it's ground into a powder that we supply to the anonoids through various models or we drink the tea, or we do a chelating protocol with nattokinase, bromelain, papain, curcumin, sauerkraut, etc. And then there's the emotional part. We're sitting with emotional baggage of a father that raped us, or a husband that ran away with a neighbor, etc., etc. That trauma gets stored in the subconscious mind. It gives a signal to the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve converts to acid. Your body becomes acidic like a green swimming pool. And now it's invader territory for invader microbes. So if you need a proper detox, speak to us. I forget to mention the lymph suit. So then we stick you in a lymph suit, that machine at the back there, where we put a suit on you that's pressurized. It presses the lymph system, and we circulate the lymph system to the gut. From there we go onto a colima, we flush the gut. As I've said, 17 kilograms of waste come from the body, etc., etc. If you are interested in more info, you can Google www.rbtihealth.com or give us a call at 081 44 32534. Dr. Neethling, RBTI Health Pretoria. Thank you guys.